So the footage that you guys are about to see is from over a year ago, specifically May 11th of 22. This was the night of our very first frame drop, very first thing we ever sold as TGV. I don't know how this didn't get posted before, but we're gonna take you guys back to the night that completely changed our lives, set up TGV to be what it is today. So enjoy. All right guys, it's almost 9 o'clock. Crunch time. It's had a lot of shirt drama.
Yeah, there's a little shirt drama, sorry.
Somebody paid $150 for shipping on a t-shirt.
We're new at setting up web stores to a degree, and yeah, we didn't want to screw up the frames, so we picked to take the shirts down for now, but stay tuned.
What do you think, Steve? How long? All right, let's take bets. How long? What's your guess, Ben?
I say 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yep. Ben? I'm gonna say 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Jackie, give me a time frame. How many minutes?
45 seconds.
It's 9! It's 9!
Okay, here we go. Going live. Track inventory.
It's live.
Good.
Go get over there.
All right, guys, it's
Lord.
9 o'clock right now.
Shirley, New York.
We just went live.
Shout out to you.
The 10 frames are on there. Who's gonna be the first one?
Stony
How
Point,
fast
New
can
York.
you type your little finger?
Toledo, Ohio, baby.
Let's go!
Woo! Well, people are blowing it up, so they're trying to buy. I just hope there's not an issue on the site why we haven't had an order yet. But
Nope.
there you go. Jay Davis.
Woo!
Another one. Double C.
Los Angeles.
Woo! I mean, you got 2 sales. Can I hear 3?
Two of them.
Three. I don't know, yeah.
Nice.
This one, Double C, and JD. So I went through it, but it's not available in my region. 115 people on the site. 113. I mean, we have the region is all of the United States.
Is that another one?
I think that's just a. It's like I'm at a slot machine.
Oh yeah, my freaking
Oh boy.
payment received.
Yeah. Boy.
Refresh those orders, man.
Oh boy.
Which whatever.
That's another payment received.
You know?
Those are
because
like-
it's like, oh, okay, we have
Okay.
Oh.
Are they?
all gone?
Yeah.
Really?
They all took like 5 minutes to go through. So all of the excitement was short-lived, which you guys are gonna see right now. Oh my
Pretty
gosh.
wild. Wow, that was very.
That was very
Oh
like
my
time
gosh.
crunch.
You
7 minutes.
stressed
7
me
minutes.
out,
Man.
Dude, I
Wow.
bet there was a like a little bit of a delay.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Oh man. We're
Got
nice,
a shirt.
Do you want me to keep recording?
11. Wait.
11.
Oh yeah. Recount.
Oh, yeah. One was okay. 1,
Oh,
2,
that
3,
wasn't my
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How's that possible?
Well, guess you're making another one.
Started there.
Did somebody cancel an order or something? What is?
That was just
No.
good sitting here. Why is there 11 orders?
I don't know. We might have to, I don't know, either build an extra one or cancel the last one that came in.
Dun dun dun.
Well, that's gonna torque that guy off.
Well, I don't want to do that. I'm just saying.
But
I don't know.
we
But
got
I
number
put
11.
10 in. You're seeing the same thing I am. They all just
Yeah.
say paid and unfulfilled.
Can you?
There's definitely you're definitely counting 11. Somehow you're not.
Okay.
Yeah, look,
So,
600.
Here, can you arrow up?
11. I don't get it.
So somehow we received 11 orders for frames and we had 10 in stock, 10 built. The whole point of this was these frames were built and they were gonna ship the next day. So we were kind of split between, do we just cancel it? Do we figure something out? But this was not the end of the drama.
Had it in my cart. It held me up, saying it would not ship to Maryland. Tried checking out on PayPal. Said you're not shipped to my area. But now it's out of stock.
Sucks.
That was seriously messed up.
Oh,
God.
Now we're gonna get all the hate.
Yeah.
We should open it up and say, like a lead time, something, whatever.
But it's
and-
gonna be a different price.
Yeah.
Because we can't make
Yeah.
those frames for that.
Yeah.
Like as long as it took. And
Right.
like, I just want to know
Stay
why is
tuned
there
for the
11
next
and
one.
what are we gonna do?
I'm just curious if somebody canceled it.
Had no shipping options, guys. Tried, was told to don't ship to my address.
How do you feel?
I mean, I was good. Now there's a bunch of drama.
Russ, there was drama before, there's drama
Oh,
after.
can we do those T-shirts?
Oh yeah. It honestly might have sold out within a couple freaking seconds, and then all the people that were able to get it.
Yeah. Because literally, like, what's the chances of
Yeah.
all those 7
Yeah.
of them going through like that?
I bet that's probably what happened. Somebody added it to their cart and they all got sold out before they were able to finish their shipping options.
There was a decent amount of people that had the frames added to their carts, but it wouldn't let them check out. So you guys just heard what Ben said. We believe that the issue that happened was because they were already sold out, and by the time people put them in their carts and completed the checkout process, they were already sold out, and that's what the issue was.
It's not gonna explode, is it?
Woo!
Damn, it hit the fan!
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Peace.